got another early review. Wait, is it early? What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. It warms my heart, man. The official release date on the Nike Dunk Reverse Brazils is March 8th. But somehow, Snipes dropped it last Saturday. Foot Locker dropped it a couple days ago. But I guess on the Sneakers app, the official date is March 8th. At a $110 price tag, I think this is a steal. One of the dopest colorways ever. Like in dunk situations, the Brazils is like one of the dopest colorways ever. To reverse it and give us something new is real dope in my opinion. I think the first time we seen Brazils was 2001. Then a re-release in 2020. And then Supreme actually came out with a colorway that I had, as you can see there. Only reason I got rid of the Supreme joints is that I don't like a high top dunk when it's busy. I could do the panda highs and the red and white, the championship joints, but those were like high top and too busy, so I got rid of them. But look, man, I got a chance at another pair, man. I like it. Yellow strike, green apple. That's the colorway Nike is saying. Hit the B-roll. Yes, sir. Give me a thumbs up in the comment section below if you're looking to cop these March 8th or if you already copped them, because I already told you some stores already got them. We're going to get into a full, in-depth 4K review of this sneaker. But first, you know you at Sneaker Notes, so we got to do the What's on Foot segment. This is the segment where you go down in that comment section below. Let me know what you rocking on foot when you catch this video. In an hour, next week, next month, next year, it don't matter. Just let me know what you rocking on foot when you catch this video. I copped Jordan 1 cements early this morning, and also I missed on the shock drop of the reimagined threes. So today I'm rocking my black cements, man. One of my favorite Jordans, one of my favorite sneakers, period. Comfortableness of that three, the cement or the elephant print, you know, there's a lot of different names for that. But that's what I got on foot today. Jordan 3 cements, black. Let me know what you got on foot when you catch this video. And now, hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So it comes in the OG Nike Dunk box. Light red, dark orange, depending on how you see it. I kind of feel like the Brazil should get their own special box. In the Quick Strike box, it's actually green and yellow too, just like the Brazils. But you get the regular Nike Dunk Low box that you get whenever it's not a big theme or SB. The color code reads apple green, yellow strike, like I told y'all. And at the top, it says Nike Dunk Low Retro BTTYS. I don't know what that means, guys. If you do, let me know in the comment section below. Each one teach one. When you flip open the lid, regular Nike Dunk tissue paper that rips very, very easily. And let's start with the right shoe. Yes, sir. So here's a 360 view of the Nike Dunk Low Reverse Brazils. And it's fitting because I just did the reverse Lanny joints. So Nike's like always on the same page with things. So instead of getting yellow and green, you get green and yellow. I know it doesn't make sense. But look, the OG Brazils is like that. These are like this. Making it a reverse. You got it? Good. So let's start with the inside panel. The sandwichness I like. I kind of like the yellow swoosh on top of the green better than the OG way. Let me know in the comment section below. But I like this way a little better, man. So that's there. Nice leather on leather action there. Toe box, same look, same leather. This leather is stiff. It don't say a PRM, but this is good leather, man. This is not regular flabby leather. I like this leather. They go the yellow strike around the toe box. Nice, man. You can see it glow in the light. Very, very dope. Comes in yellow shoelaces. You don't get any other color shoelaces. But for the $110 price tag, I think they could have gave us some green apple shoelaces also. Even though I don't think I would like the green apple shoelaces on top of the green leather. I like the yellow. It pops more with this. Let's get to the back. There go your Nike OG Dunk logo in that green apple colorway. One of my favorite logos, guys. Hands down. So I like the green from the sock liner to your yellow leather, back to your green, back to your yellow, and of course you get white at the bottom. Almost to every Nike Dunk, white is that sandwich at the bottom, but I like the white on top of these soft colors here. Your bottom, if you see one Nike Dunk low, high, Jordan 1, same thing, high, low, you're going to get this bottom. This is an all green apple colorway, but it does come to the top here. Like I told y'all, I'm making it a sandwich. There you go, the stars there, or the bumps. You know, those are stars. I remember back in the days of eBay when that was like the only place to sell sneakers and buy sneakers. They used to be like all stars are present in the listing. Which you can see there, of course, all stars are present is DS. Your inside has the green apple with the yellow strike on top, Nike Air logo. The tongue, of course, regular Nike Dunk mesh. There's no need to change something that's already classic. That's in green. And then you got the yellow Brazil and green look tag at the top. Right to left, everything adds up the same. Nothing's changed. I don't see any glue stains, any markings. Nike did good with this pair. Yes, sir. So, Gold in Stock X has these now for maybe $20 over the retail price of $110. I seen $115, I seen $124, I seen $140. So it's right there. Now, do I think these gonna go up? Barring a restock, of course they will go up. It's the Brazil colorway. The reason why I think prices are only hovering a little bit above retail right now is because it's not the official release date. After March 8th, we'll see how many pairs get copped and left, and then we'll know where the market is for this sneaker. But I feel like if it's not a restock, because you know Nike Dunks, they restock. Pandas restock every hour, it feels like. So, if they don't restock, man, this is clearly a $250 shoe. Even though it's just a Dunk, it's not an SB, it's definitely a $250 shoe in my opinion. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. Again, on foot today, I got on a Jordan 3 black cement joints. Let me know what you got on foot when you catch this video. I want to do a how to style of this. It has to happen. Give your boy a like, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.